Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech, and in today's video I'm gonna guide you through the device isn't compatible to this version of Android. So in order to fix your issue, first of all what you can do is open settings on your Android devices. Once you come here, scroll down below and you'll see the option of software update. Tap on it. Now, if you have a pending software update, you'll see the option of download and install. So make sure that your Android device is updated to its latest version. Now, another step you could do in order to fix your issue is that just go back to settings page and tap on apps. From here, simply search for Google Play. Now, simply tap on Google Play Store first. From here, go ahead and tap on the option of storage. Now, at the bottom right corner, you'll see the option of clear cache. Tap on it. Now, once you do this, simply go back and then again search for Google Play Services. Then again, scroll down below and tap on storage. Then again, tap on the option of clear cache at the bottom right corner. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.